Often in disability claims, clients of ours have received letters that say that they have not provided sufficient medical evidence. In fact, the wording is usually, we find that the medical evidence you have provided is insufficient to substantiate a medical condition that should prevent you from being able to do your work. So what are they really saying about this? Well, they're saying a number of things. One, they're not happy with the forms that have been completed and the information provided. They don't think that your medical condition is severe enough, even though you may have some symptoms. They may feel that you haven't gone for appropriate testing to substantiate the symptoms or condition that you're suffering from. They may feel that before they're even prepared to consider this, they want to see if you've been referred to a specialist. And most importantly is the question of whether a definitive diagnosis has been established. In many cases, while your condition is being investigated, your doctor may be trying to treat your symptoms, but still trying to figure out exactly what the diagnosis is. And insurance companies hang their hat frequently on the failure or an inability to establish a particular diagnosis of your medical condition. It really is a question of symptoms versus illness. But as long as your symptoms are real and preventing you from doing your effective day-to-day activities at work, they should be paying your claim, even though there isn't a definitive diagnosis. So how can you improve your chances of being approved for a disability claim? Your doctor may be puzzling about this as well, because they feel that if they say you're disabled, the insurance company should simply accept their word. How can the insurance company question the opinion that is provided to them by your doctor? Well, your doctor and you can make sure that you explain more fully the symptoms that you're suffering with. Try to establish what testing, etc. you may require that proves the symptoms. And even still, after having provided all of that information, the insurance company may still send a letter back to you saying that you have not provided sufficient medical evidence to substantiate your claim. You might be thinking at this point, how can you possibly fight the insurance company when you've given them all the information that your doctor can provide at that point in time, and you've done it maybe on several occasions, and they still say insufficient medical evidence? Well, that's when you should be consulting an insurance lawyer who has experience with disability claims, because that's not the end of the story. They may want you to think it's the end, but it isn't the end. Contact a lawyer, have them review your claim documents and the medical information, and you may very well have a very viable claim. So just remember, don't give up and don't give in.